Intelligent machines, AGI, and the reality check. You have probably seen the headlines. AGI is coming. Super intelligent AI within 5 years. The singularity is near. It sounds like science fiction, and honestly, a lot of it is speculation dressed up as prediction. But it is confusing because some of it might be real. And it's hard to know what to actually believe. As someone learning to use AI, you don't need to become an expert on AGI debates, but you do need a clear headed understanding of where we actually are. So you are not distracted by hype or paralyzed by fear. Let me give you a quick reality check. I'll explain what AGI actually means, where we are today versus where the headlines claim we are, and what you should actually focus on. 5 minutes and you will have the clarity. What is AGI first? So, AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. It is the idea of an AI that can do any intellectual task a human can do. Not just one thing well, like playing chess or generating text, but everything. Learning new skills on its own, reasoning across domains, adapting to novel situations without specific training. Today's AI, including GPT-5, is what we call narrow AI. It is incredibly good at specific tasks, writing, coding, analyzing, creating images. But it doesn't truly understand the way humans do. It can't walk into a new field it has never seen and figure things out from scratch the way a human can. AGI would be different. It would be general purpose intelligence. And we don't have that yet. So, where are we actually? So, where are we on the path to AGI? Honest answer nobody knows for sure. And anyone who tells you they know exactly when AGI will arrive is guessing. And here is what we do know. Progress is fast. GPT-5 is dramatically better than GPT-4, which was dramatically better than GPT-3. The pace of improvement is real, but there are gaps. Current AI still struggles with true reasoning, long-term planning, and learning from minimal examples. It does not have genuine understanding. It has very sophisticated pattern matching, and timelines vary widely. Some researchers say AGI is 5 years away. Others say 50 years. Some say it may never happen in the way we imagine. The truth is, we are in uncharted territory. The takeaway? AGI is a serious research topic, but it is not something you need to plan your life around right now. Now, let me give you a simple filter for cutting through the noise. When you see an AGI headline, ask two questions. One, who is saying it and what is their incentive? AI companies benefit from the hype. It drives investment, attention, and talent. Now, that doesn't mean they're lying, but it means you should factor in the motivation. Two, what can I verify with my own experience? You have access to GPT-5. Use it. Push its limit. You will quickly see where it is brilliant and where it falls short. But direct experience is more reliable than any headline. Most of the scary scenarios, AI taking over, super intelligence going rogue, are theoretical. They're worth discussing in research labs, but they're not what should drive your decisions today. So, what should you focus on instead of AGI speculation? Focus on today's capabilities. GPT-5 is powerful enough to transform how you work, create, and learn. Master what's in front of you before worrying about what might come in 10 years. Focus on adaptability. The best skill you can build is the ability to learn and adapt. Whatever AI becomes, the people who thrive will be the ones who stay curious and keep evolving. And focus on human skills, judgment, ethics, creativity, and relationships. These matter now, and they will matter even more if AI becomes more powerful. Don't let distant possibilities distract you from present opportunities. And here is the reality check. AGI is a real area of research, but it is not here yet. and nobody knows exactly when or if it will arrive. What is here is incredibly capable AI that you can learn to use right now. Focus on that. Master what exists. Build adaptable skills and let the researchers debate the timelines. Next time you see a dramatic AI headline, run it through the filter. Who is saying it? What is the incentive? And what does your own experience with AI actually tell you? That critical thinking is a skill that will serve you no matter what happens. All right, so we have covered the foundations. You understand what ChatGPT is and why AI evolves, the real pros and the cons, the future of work, and now the AGI reality check. In the next lecture, I'll explain exactly how this course is structured and how to get the most from it. It's the last piece before we dive into the hands on training. See you there.